Hi everybody. I want to present you a project of mine which I call TITUS. Well, TITUS, this is my prototype. I had some scrap, an old radio. I've used two speakers which I put inside. I've got a power supply for 12 volt. So everything is inside and it just works like a radio. There you go, for at home, which is running on the main power line. Well, this was just my prototype. My actual project is this one. It's a radio for the wall, for the kitchen. Okay, I call it TITUS 02. I didn't invent anything. In 1936 there has been a company called Jupiter Radio. They had already a radio post which was called TITUS, and this kind of logo, well, this kind of the flash. And if you look in the internet, you can find a project called TITUS 2, which is this kind of radio with an Android, but this project didn't come out yet. Nobody can buy it yet, I think. So I wanted to make my own one. Okay, I put it in a box, and there I've got 4 speakers, two 4-ohm speakers and 2 8-ohm speakers, which gives me some good sound. So let's turn on the power. Okay.
L'intérieur, matériau Salvini, premier grand meeting national du souverainisme.
Well, this is the radio which is installed on it's a car radio, which is very well presented, and this is the over-the-air radio, which I get with an antenna. So like I said here, I just put a copper wire inside for antenna, but on this radio it didn't quite work. I had to put an external antenna. Otherwise, I was just having noise, so I put the car antenna here, a bit away, and I didn't fix it to the wall. I let some space for heat dissipation, since a car radio makes some heat. Okay. Well, so this is the over-the-air, but since it's an Android, I've got as well internet connection over Wi-Fi, so you can put any application, well, almost any application. You can use internet radio. Okay, internet radio, you can choose any radio that you know and listen over Wi-Fi.
Екозащитници от цялата страна и техни немски колеги се събраха пред най-голямата ферма за норки у нас на мирен протест. Хората се оплакаха, че норките вече 5-та година нападат личните им стопанства. Ризмата, която е ежедневна по думите им, е непоносима.
Okay, what else can I show you? Let me see. Well, I can use some music from a USB. Okay, so this is just a memory stick. I've put some music on to make a test. So let's say this is normal volume for a room, and I've got a lot of power to listen loud, you see. Okay, so whatsoever, I could go to YouTube if I want. There you go. Well, I've got a security for my kids, so they don't go to YouTube when I'm not here. But the videos will work just fine. Okay, well, that's so this button was not really necessary. This is a volume button which I add extra, but the volume buttons from the radio itself works well enough. What else could I say? I'm quite glad with it. Yes, maybe just the last thing, because where are we? There we go. My next project is going to be a TITUS 03. So I wanted to make it more compact, a little bit smaller, a portable version with the antenna, with the buttons and the two-way speakers, and the smaller type of radio. And on the bottom there will be a battery pack to make it portable and go around with make a boombox with Android. So my presentation is finished. If you would like to support me so I can realize my next project, down in the description I will put a link where you could maybe send me some money that I can realize the next project and show you what is happening then. Bye.